Good morning, my friends. I just want to share an idea with you about the best way to send website edits. We all know the process of communicating edits to a designer or a developer or a QA team is always very stressful. I know a lot of us will try to do it with Google Docs and screenshots and Loom videos and things like that. And having tried to do quality assurance and design feedback and edit management a million different ways, I want to show you for sure what I have found to be the most efficient tool that minimizes frustration, improves communication, minimizes confusion. And so I just want to show you sort of a tool that my team and I use. It's a tool called usepastel.com. And what it basically does is what your web team would do, or you could do, or whoever would do, is you set up an account and then you upload your web address in here. So you would put, so what I did is I put my own website in here, and then you open it up and it brings you to your website. And then you can see here in the, you can see here there's two options. It says browse or comment. So if I click to browse, it allows me to kind of flip through the website, so it will load a little bit slower than normal because obviously the Use Pastel program is loading as well. And then what happens is, okay, I'm flipping through. Let's say that I, want to put an edit here. I flip over to comment and I type here, please uncapitalize or whatever. And then I push post comment, for example. Let me close myself here. And then what's going to happen is over here, you're going to see the comment. And then you can do an @mention, let's say, to one of my designers. Oh, sorry, they're not on this file. But let's imagine, okay, so one of my designers, I can just @mention her. And then we can talk to each other through this tool. Like, it eliminates email, eliminates confusion, eliminates, it shows here which browser, which page, which browser, which operating system, and which screen resolution. Because one of the problems with edit management is, it's very common for, a client to tell us that it's not loading on my phone. It's like, well, okay, well, what screen size is your phone? What is it, an Android? Is it an iPhone? Which browser are you using? Because unfortunately, different browsers and different devices will populate the site differently, which is incredibly annoying for anyone building a website. But even more annoying is that communication about you as the client having to check, okay, I'm using Chrome on my iPhone 7, and then because then what we have to do is that what the dev team has to do is they have to troubleshoot for that specific browser, that specific screen resolution. And this just eliminates the you having to know where you saw it. So in terms of, if you're in the process of, again, if you're in the process of doing a redesign and you're in a process of communication with your web person, this is by far the most efficient way to go. And in Use Pastel, you can either upload an image. So let's just say you're at mockup phase. You can have your designer upload an image of the mockup, and then you can do the same thing. You add your comments, or you can add an actual working copy of the site. So we use this all the time. Again, saves so much back and forth. And I don't know if you haven't used it yet, try it. You will love it. Let me know if you have any questions below. Thanks.